Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to implement the mail merge functionality to send the MS Excel data into MS Word document. Now let's start the tutorial. Now my aim is I want to send a loan payment information letter to all my customers. And here we got the final output. Notice the customer details has been added from the Excel sheet. This is the same information except the customer details has been changed.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
I have just opened my Excel payment details. The file name is the payment details, which contains some customer information: customer ID, customer name, city, phone number, loan amount, installment and due date. Now my aim is I want to send a loan payment information letter to all my customers. At this moment I have 5 customers. I want to send all the 5 customers the same letters, but except I want to change the customer details. The rest of the information is the same to all the customers. For that I am using the MS Word mail merge. First we need to save this file. I have saved this file and payment details on my desktop. This I have saved on my desktop. Now the second part is MS Word. Let's open MS Word. Here we got the MS Word document. First we require some sample letter. Just for the time saving, I am adding some rough letter here. Loan payment details, loan payment letter. I am not adding any fonts here. Just simply I am adding respected. This is and pick info regarding about here loan payment of this month is given the details and the details is given below please pay on time to avoid the penalty fee. Here I want to get the customer ID, customer details here, customer name, loan amount, installment and due date. Let's add a quick note here. If you have any queries, please contact some phone number here. And if you already made a payment, please ignore this letter. Continue, manager from ABC. Now I want to send this information except I want to change the customer details to all these 5 customers. Now first most important step is when we want to mail merge this Excel sheet, we need to close the Excel sheet. Let's close the Excel sheet, save this file. After that, now go to mailings. In the mailings, notice here the select recipients, put the one. Here select the use an existing list, because the details we have already there on my Excel sheet. So I am adding that sheet here. That Excel sheet I have saved on my desktop, payment details. Click OK. And after adding the payment details. Now in the same mailings and the ribbons, notice the insert merge field, open that one. Now see here all the customer fields, all the fields added here. First two, we require the customer name, phone number and city. And after that, respected sir is a customer name, customer ID, customer name, loan amount, installment and the due date. Now let's add some styles here. Home, put everything in the bold, as well as this also put in the bold, and the due date I'm adding in the red color. Installment. Here I'm not changing any format here, just it's a example. So now after adding the fields to this letter, now the final step, go to mailings again. In the mailings, at the ribbon, at the end we got the finish and merge here. Open that one, click that one, edit individual documents, select that one. Once you select the individual document, you got a one pop-up window which contains some three options. Merge records all, which means this information will merge to all the records. Now I want to send only the current record, so this one only will get, and you can choose the records between from. Suppose you want to send only 1 to 3 only the customers, you can add here the numbers 1 to 3. But now here I am selecting all. I want to send all this letter to all my customers. Click OK. And here we got the final output. Notice the customer details has been added from the Excel sheet. This is the same information except the customer details has been changed. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to implement the mail merge functionality in MS Excel sheet to an MS Word document. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.